My name's Ryan McBride. I'm from Liverpool. And by trade, I'm a prison officer.
What have you been doing here this week?
Well, I signed up to the academy 3 months ago. Just to get into property. I've been interested for a while now, and I thought the backup and the information I've seen online seems really good. So I thought I'd come in person, see it for myself.
What's it like being in prison?
Oh, I'm loving it. Loving it. I love the interaction. I love the community Samuel Leeds is building. In general, I'm quite a shy guy, but now I'm here. I'm kind of coming out on my own, chatting to everyone, meeting people from all different areas. Just this weekend alone, I've met 3 or 4 contacts that I feel I'll be using very shortly in my little in my next steps.
And that community and that network, is that like the most important thing?
I think so. Like all I've heard for the last few months is your net worth is your network, and I'm starting to believe that now. The people you know, even if it's just a builder. I've met 2 builders this weekend from down my road. So my next property, I can call them in, get good rates. I'm helping them, they're helping me. It's a people business.
And what's the education like?
Education, well, obviously my profession is prison officer, so I've got no background at all in construction or property development like that. I'm not even a very good DIYer, so every single thing I'm getting told is a big thing for me. It's a big lesson. So all the intel I'm getting, it's a bit overwhelming at some point, but I know I can go back and research what I'm not sure about, knowing that I've heard it. So constantly hearing it, I'm constantly learning. It's crazy.
And final question, would you recommend this kind of environment to someone who's looking at getting into?
Absolutely. I came to one last month as well. I was a bit weary last month, got my first live event, but now I'm here now, I'm in a better place, I'm more confident. I'm speaking to people here now, it's their first time, it's only my second time, but I'm giving them advice, and I feel like I'm offering a little bit of worth to them, because I'm getting worth from everybody else.